Now costs are basically of three types. First is fixed cost. Fixed cost, that is indirect or overheads. So they are not influenced by the quantity produced, uh, but they can change in the long run. Example, insurance cost, it is fixed for a year, right? Administration part, say for a building rent, it is fixed, it will not change. Even if you do 10,000 production or you do 1 lakh production, it will not change, it is fixed. Okay. Similarly way, the insurance cost is also fixed. There are some type of labor cost or salaries which are fixed. Say for example, watchman, he will not change the watchman, so it will not change as the production increases, right? So that salary is fixed. Or some type of energy cost, for example, basic energy cost. If you took the connection of broadband, say for example internet connectivity, and if they will offer you basic plans, say for example up to 2 GB usage, monthly rental will be 1000, that is fixed, but after, if you use more than that, that cost is going to vary. So some type of energy cost are also fixed. Even the building cost, advertising cost, basic promotion cost are also, some parts are fixed. So this is nothing but the indirect overheads it comes under, so it is a fixed cost. Now what are variable cost? Variable cost generally vary with the production volume, raw materials. Basically if you want to produce 10,000 pens, you will require different kind of raw material for different volume of raw material, so if you want to produce 15,000 quantity, then you will require some variable material, there will be some direct labor costs, some direct energy cost. These are all depending on the variable cost, that is direct. Some is semi-fixed cost. Semi-fixed cost means the cost which does not directly attributable to either of the above. Say for example, some type of energy and labor cost, means some part is fixed and some part is changing, so that comes under the category of the semi-fixed cost, right? So we'll have that. Say for example, few laborers, they will have some basic salary also, and they will have some incentive also. And incentive is the part which is going to change on their work capacity. If they do good kind of work, they'll get more incentive. If they'll do less work, they'll get less incentive. So this is kind of some semi-fixed costing technique. It comes under semi-fixed type. So what are the formulas for calculating the marginal cost actually? So we'll go step by step. First step is you have to calculate what is total cost. Total cost is nothing but the fixed cost plus variable cost. So my dear friends, that is second type of costing is nothing but that of the average cost. Average cost is nothing but the total cost upon the output. Now the units show that the amount of cost is to produce 1 unit of output on average. That is the average cost, means for example how much 1 unit is required for production, the value is calculated by using average cost. Now what is marginal cost? Marginal cost is nothing but the cost of producing one extra or one fewer units of production. That is marginal cost technique is nothing but the total cost of the n elements minus total cost of n minus 1 elements. Say for example, fixed cost, that is going to give you marginal cost. So marginal cost is nothing but the cost of producing one extra or one fewer units of production. So that is marginal cost. This is the formula which you have to use. We'll see in the next slides about the revenue price concept. Thank you.